Hello everyone. Today I'm going to try to show you to fix this sort of Honda stereo for Honda Accord Euro. They have two problems. One is they have no display panel. Even though the unit is still, you can hear the radio in the background, that sort of thing, but you get no display whatsoever. And the problem number two, associated with the CD player. I just powered up the unit now to show you what's actually happening. Okay, I just powered up the earth now. You can hear the motor there try to do some turning, but it's not working. Okay, I turn on the radio now, and I turn on the volume. Yeah, so you can hear the radio in the background there. I turn the volume up and down.
I guess we can make it a quickie then.
Okay, so the radio still, you can hear the radio is working fine. You can hear some mechanical issue with the CD mechanism, and then you can hear the radio there. Everything works fine with the volume control. So just two main problems here. So I'm going to try to show you how to fix the two common problems. Depends on which problem. Take almost every single all the screws out here. So there's no other way. We have to get to the bottom of it. So if you you don't want to watch this, that's okay. Just fast forward and then to get all to the section that you want to watch and try to see if you can fix the issue yourself. Why I got you here? You have to be careful with this screw here. This screw on the side here, they're slightly longer than the rest of the screws, say in the back here, for example. So this side screw here, along here, they're much longer. Okay, so make sure you know that, or put them separately. So you want to mix it up. That panel come out. And now just turn over. Just one more. Sorry, a few more through here. I forgot. There as well. And just other thing while I'm here. This here is a different size screw here, right in front of here. So when you put it back, make sure this is the little one is right here. Okay, slightly different to anything else, just a much smaller screw. So that's to go there. Now just a matter of lift this one up. This piece will come up. Then just lift this one sideways, and then you unplug this ribbon here, right there. The ribbon there, just push it out slowly, and this is the main circuit board here. This is what I call the motherboard. Okay, and this is the CD mechanism. You can take this out with it. Okay, so these two parts we mainly concentrate on. One is I'm going to show you how to fix the display. You see the noise there, which is connecting. Now I'm going to try to measure here. Along here, there's nothing there. It's basically, it's like it's an open circuit between these two here. Okay, there's nothing there. Or either that, or it's just touching a little bit on that solder there. So you, there's nothing there. So for example, if I go here, you can hear the noise there. Basically, just connecting. But these two here, no. So that's the only things mainly problem with the display, causing the unit to have no display because of that. So try to think of that in that corner there, right there, next to this, what they call an output IC. This is an output IC, and just behind there, next to this transistor there, right there. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. I can take it out completely, and I'm going to solder a piece of wire around there for you. And now, if you don't have the parts, the components there to replace, for example, you can get a piece of wire, just a little piece of wire like this, then try to rip out one strain, small strain like this will do, just a little one like that. Okay, and then you're going to solder it in, put a bit of solder, and then join in there. I just do it properly for you so you can see exactly how I would do it. You get your solder iron, just put a bit of solder around here first. Just go there. Okay, put a bit on a knot like that. Alright, there's some solder along there now. Then it's just a matter of just get to that position there. So I don't want to waste your time too much, but just trying to do very quickly here. So basically now you can see there I removed that piece out completely now. That piece right there. I'm going to put that joint along there to there. Okay. Solder these wires into there. You know, if you want to watch it, watch. If you don't have, if you think it's too boring, then just fast forward this part. So I just make sure I have to do for some people that they may not know how to do. I'll put a bit of solders around there first, where the piece is going. Then I'm going to get this wire and I'm going to solder it in there. There. Put that in there like that. Okay, let it settle down a little bit there. And then what you have to do is just cut that off a little bit here. And basically you solder it there. Okay, just like a bridge, you put a bridge around it. So that should fix your display issue. Okay, that's that particular. Just remember the location and just find a piece of wire, anything at all, just a small strain. You don't have to put a massive strain in there. Just some little wire like this. It's a small, thin one would do. Or a little wire, you got left over somewhere. Okay, after this is done, then all you have to do is just turn it over now while you're at it on this motherboard. Just something that else I want to show you is very important. If you concentrate it on this area here, there I just zoom it in there. So you see, this is the where the joint is on the other side. But this is what there. Okay. Now you have a look closely here. Some of this solder here is a bit dry because the heat underneath is causing this sort of problem, and that can also going to lose some solder as well after a while. So what you need to do, you need to solder all this in as well. Put some more solders along here. I'm going to show you roughly. I'm going to do a few points so you can have a quick look at it. But I'm going to do. Okay, for example, yeah, put a bit of solder here. So it takes a bit of time for my solder to heat it up a bit. So there, or you have to put your solder, put it there. So you get the point. Just around all these where you see like a burn mark under this here, just put a bit more solder there, and so forth, all around it, everywhere like that. Okay. After that's done, so just I'll do a little bit more here if you want, just to show you that's all there need to be done. Just there. Just make sure when you put the solder, make sure the connections they're not joining together. Make sure they have to be separated. They're not together on even this transistor, for example. Okay, so yep, and that's it. So the board is done, and that should be able to show you the displays. And really, this unit you don't even have to put the CD mechanism all together. If you really want it, you can even try just only this board by itself. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. And now, if you want to try it before you will put everything into the car, just this circuit board by itself, and then you can just, if you can see the two connectors there, right there, you just align them and push it in like that. Just be very careful. Okay, just be careful like that, and then you can put it on the side like that, for example. Okay, just like that. So let's see that way. Now I power it up now. Just let you see there. I just power the unit up like this, and now you can. I know it's a bit sideways, but let me turn around better this way. Okay, I turn around for you now so you can see this way. So you can literally can turn the unit on. You can see the display there. And then I'm going to seek a channel. Now I'm going to turn the volume up so you can hear it's actually working, okay? Why you act like I'm not there? Baby, right now it feels like you don't care. Oh, why don't you recognize? So you see there, you don't have to put the CD mechanism in all together. You still can able to test it. In this case, it's actually there's some advantage doing that, because if you're not sure whether you fix the problem or not, and at least now you know that display is fixed now. Okay, so you can if the CD work fine by itself, all you have to do is just put everything back together in the reverse mode. That's all. So now everything seems to be all working good now. So you got the displays all work. Now it's just a matter for you now to put everything back together and put into the car, and hopefully you learn something out of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And hopefully I see you in the next video on other repairs. So, thank you.